Hey guys, it's Natalia, and today I just kind of want to sit down and just like put on some makeup, get ready, and just like talk to you guys because I'm kind of sick right now and I just feel like I need to put on some makeup to make myself like feel and look a little better because you know it's always a good confidence booster, so we're gonna do that. And then second of all, I just kind of want to talk to you guys and just like, you know, sit down and have a nice little chat. So alright, so I'm not gonna start off with foundation just because I never use foundation unless it's like a very special occasion because I don't like super heavy makeup or anything like that, but I'm gonna use my NARS concealer in Vanilla because this is my winter shade when I'm like super pale. So usually I just kind of put this at under my eyes to hide my tiredness because your girl does not sleep too much sometimes. Actually, that's such a lie. I sleep so much. I go to bed at like 9, like 9:30, 10 at the 10:30 at the like latest. But that's how senior year is going for me currently. I'm just like, I've lost my motivation. Okay, that's a lie. I have lost my motivation in most of my schoolwork, but I have so much motivation for like sewing and like doing the things that are actually important for my like life, you know, because I'm gonna go into fashion design as a like major in college, and I am currently making 6 prom dresses, including mine, and I've been super motivated. Like I'm literally like grinding them out every single day, but like that means I'm definitely not getting my like schoolwork done, which, you know what, like at this point, like my schoolwork isn't that important because like my classes aren't that hard right now or anything, and it's not like being detrimental to my grades. Like my grades are still really good, so like it sounds like I'm doing terribly, but like it's fine. So that's a thing, but that also means that I'm doing a lot of sewing videos. I'm literally making a video for every single prom dress that I'm currently making. Obviously they're just not done yet, so they're not being posted until probably a lot later. Mine's already posted if you guys want to see how I made my prom dress, and I am obsessed with it. I love it. But all the other ones are gonna take me a little longer to finish just because like I have to have people like come in for fittings, and then like people have busy schedules and I have a busy schedule, so like it's hard to get that done. But like as I finish them, I'm gonna be uploading them, and I'm really excited about that because I love sewing, obviously, because that's what I'm gonna do with my life, and I feel like I just haven't shared that enough on this channel. So I'm really excited to start sharing that a little more. And I feel like when I look back on these videos, like after I'm done with my 4 years of like fashion design in college, I'm gonna look back and be like, Natalia, you did those terribly, like that's terrible, that's not how you do it or whatever. Like obviously I'm not a professional or anything, but I also think that I'm pretty decent, and like people are trusting me to make their senior prom dresses, which is like insane. I literally never thought people would actually like trust me and like pay me to do that, but like I am so honored. Like it's literally such an honor to have somebody be like, hey, make my senior year prom dress. Like that's like, that's it. That's how people remember you. Like, and people want me to make that. Like that just means so much to me. So I'm really like putting in all of my time and efforts into these, and I absolutely love them. So I really hope that you guys like those kinds of videos because there's a lot more on the way. Going off of that, like, let me know if you guys want to see more like college related videos once I like get into college and like doing all that, like all like my dorm, like moving in, or like any like Q&As that you might have if you're also thinking of going into like an art career or anything that like has to do with that. Like I would love to do a bunch of videos on that, but just like let me know or like leave questions or whatever, because I would love to do that at some point. I get the rest of my acceptances hopefully April 1st, if I do get accepted, that is. And then after that I'll make a decision, and then I'll let you guys know where I'm going and like what my path is gonna look like. But as of right now, I'm not sure because I haven't heard back from every college yet, because art schools take forever to respond, and it's just like the most frustrating thing because all my friends like already know where they're going and they already have roommates and everything, and I still don't know what I'm doing, so here we are. But on the bright side, I'm just chilling. I'm having a good time during my senior year. Like I'm genuinely enjoying like everything. I'm spending time with my friends, and all my friends, we're all going to different places, which is kind of sad, but also I think that it's gonna be really good for us. It's gonna be a very good test of our friendship, you know? But I'm excited. I think everybody's like definitely gonna do what they love and like thrive wherever they are. So I'm really excited to see like all the things that my friends do and like what I do and all that. I think it's gonna be awesome. So, okay, this looks really bad right now. It's not very well blended up, but I'm gonna blend it out later because I just really don't care right now. Also, more video things that are coming this year. I'm gonna be traveling a bunch this summer with my friends, which is like the coolest thing ever. So me, Paul, my boyfriend Paul, if you guys don't know, and then my friends Jay, Emily, and Zoe, we're all going to Europe together for 3 weeks. And we're going like by ourselves, just us 5, and I am so excited. I can't even begin to tell you how freaking excited I am. And obviously I'm gonna be making a bunch of like travel vlogs and on my vlog channel, and then I think we'll probably do a bunch of travel with me's. I think I'm gonna do like outfits, like travel outfits and like stuff like that. Like I definitely wanna do a bunch of travel videos this summer. But I also think I might like do a video on like travel hacks and like how my friends and I are traveling to Europe like for so long and for like pretty cheap. And like how to find like good deals and stuff like that, because my family travels a lot, so I like genuinely know pretty much a lot about travel and how to find things. Obviously I don't know everything because I'm 18, but like my family does do a lot, and my dad likes to do his research and like figure out like best pricings and stuff, so I've learned a lot. And obviously like my friends and I are going, and we're going for like really good prices. I think I'm gonna do a video just like kind of showing you guys how we did it and like how we went about it, and how to maybe convince your parents to let you do the same thing, you know, because I'm sure a lot of you definitely want to do it, and your parents are probably like, no, like you're crazy, it's too expensive, but like there's definitely ways to go around it. Hey, what's up? Hey.
Just leaving the baby shower now. Is it okay if I just head over, like straight?
How far away are you?
Like 20 minutes or something.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Why, what's up?
I'm in the middle of filming a YouTube video.
Oh, really? Right.
Yeah, you can say hi to the camera.
Guys, I was calling out to another video.
That's so funny. But yeah, no, I'll be done by the time you get here, so that's fine.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
Alright, talk to you soon.
Okay, love you too, bye. That is so funny. Okay. We don't really text each other like ever, so we just call whenever we need something, so like it happens. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Modern Renaissance palette for my eyes because these are probably my favorite colors ever because they're just freaking beautiful and they match my shirt and my pants today. So I'm gonna do that. So anyway, as I was saying, I definitely am gonna do a lot of travel videos and just like travel hacks, maybe like travel DIYs, travel outfits, stuff like that. I think would be really fun to do. And like now that I have like a nicer camera with better quality, like I feel like I can do a lot more with it. And also I'm trying to do a lot more with my Instagram too, and trying to make it like more artsy and like more pretty and aesthetically pleasing to look at. I feel like my theme is developing. It's not perfect, nor is it like that great, but I think it's developing, and we're getting there, and we're getting somewhere with it. So feel free to check that out at natalia.trevino, because I'm genuinely trying so hard right now on it, and like I just really am trying to up my game of like being an influencer and just like, you know, because I feel like going into college, like especially for like fashion design and like something artistic, I feel like they're definitely gonna look at my social medias and look at my YouTube and all that, and like they want to see like aesthetics, and they want to see that it's good. So I'm definitely trying to do that because I definitely want to look more professional and like less of a high schooler and more of like college vibe, because I'm a second semester senior, which is crazy, I tell you. Honestly, these 4 like years of high school have gone by like so fast, but also so slow. Like I feel like freshman year was like yesterday, but I also feel like that was forever ago, you know? Like I feel like I've changed so much as a person, and just like also physically, because I cut my hair and I've dyed it, and because like freshman year me had super long brown hair, insert picture here, and now I have like short blonde hair, and I love it, and I feel like I'm just more confident with myself and who I am as a person, which is just great. I'm definitely probably gonna do like graduation videos and a bunch of like sappy, sad graduation things, like open house ideas and stuff. And then also I'll vlog it all on my vlog channel, which you guys can check out. It's always linked down below. It's Paul and Natalia, because it's combined with my boyfriend. I don't really know why I'm doing such like cool makeup today or whatever, because I'm literally just going to like a movie night like thing with my friends tonight, and we're all just like literally wearing like pajamas, so like I don't know why I'm doing this, but also I feel disgusting today, so I just really want to look a little better, so here we are. Also for video things, I'm trying to do a lot more like religious videos because obviously that's a really big part of my life, and I think I've definitely shared that quite a lot more recently. And I think a lot of you guys have been very responsive to it and you guys really like it, and I've heard from a lot of people that it's been helping them, or like it's really nice for them to be able to see that on social medias as well. So I'm really gonna try to branch out into that a little more. Like obviously I'm not the kind of person that like I'm gonna shove like Jesus down your throat and like make you like Catholic or Christian or whatever, but I definitely like to incorporate like my faith into everything I do. So I really would like to do that more, just to like, you know, be a good example of like what the Catholic faith should be. Obviously not a perfect example because nobody can be, but I do my best. So I think I'm definitely trying to incorporate that a little more, so let me know if you guys like that, or if you guys have any ideas for like video topics, if anything you want me to like talk about or cover, or any questions or anything. Like I would love to do that so much, because obviously it's a huge part of my life, and I've been learning a lot throughout the years, attending a lot of youth groups and a lot of different talks and retreats. I think I have a lot better understanding of my faith. So hopefully I can answer questions if you have any. Obviously I don't know everything. I have not read the Bible fully, so obviously don't know everything because that's really hard to read the whole thing. And I never went to Catholic school, so it's not like I had to like learn about it, you know, like I've always gone to public school. I also really want to start doing more, I guess not like a lot more or anything, but like I love music obviously, and like singing is something that I really love to do. I have a lot of really talented friends that can sing like amazingly, and I would love to like feature them in a bunch of covers and stuff like that. So if you guys have any requests for those, leave those down below. Like I have a lot that I want to do, but I don't have the time to do all of them. But you know, like obviously I'm not the greatest singer ever, and I'm aware of that. I just think it's fun to do, and I'm not trying to get like famous and become a singer or anything, but I just like music has always been like a huge part of my life. And I'm not just saying that because I'm like one of those people, like my dad like wanted to be a musician growing up, but he wasn't like allowed to, like his parents don't let him, so he just like became an engineer instead. But like he's always been an incredible musician. Like he could literally probably be like super famous. And my brother is amazing as well, and he like composes a bunch of stuff, and they both do like heavy metal, like rock stuff. But like I grew up like playing piano, and then I started playing violin, and then I started playing guitar, and like I've always loved singing and like dancing and everything. So it's just a really big part of my family and like who we are. So I like to share that with you guys sometimes. For highlighter, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Starstruck one, which my friend Zubia got for me for my birthday, and I love this. It is so incredibly like pigmented, and like it's freaking beautiful. I love it so much. And we're gonna be extra today, so here we are. Like a little bit goes such a long way with this, and I think that's like incredible. Like I want to buy more Fenty Beauty stuff because it's such good quality, and I've seen so many reviews on it like saying it's honestly really good. Like I really want her foundation. Right now I have the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundation, and I swear by this, I love this so much, but I'm running out. So maybe I'll either get more of that or just get a new like Fenty one, because I think that'd be really cool. Anyway, I'm going to blend this out a little more because this looks really bad. My boyfriend's sister has her own makeup line, and it's the Patricia collection, and you can follow that on Instagram. I'm pretty sure it's at the Patricia collection, or maybe it's just at Patricia collection, but I'll look it up. Okay, just kidding, it's at the Patricia collection, and here it is. She has some amazing cosmetics. Like I'm not just saying that because it's my boyfriend's sister, but like also I'm really, first of all, picky with my eyeliner. I only use the Stila like liquid eyeliner, but her eyeliner is really good, and I used it for a really long time until obviously I ran out of it, and I just haven't gotten more. But it's really good. And then this is her lipstick, or liquid lipstick, Mink Pink, which is from the original collection that she first launched, and I love this. It's such a good natural color, and she just released her spring collection as well, which I need to get because I haven't yet. And it's really freaking beautiful, and like it's just such good quality, and it is Natalia approved, not like I'm Jeffree Star or Tati, like Tati approved, but But anyway, you guys should check it out because it's really good. And I think she should start a YouTube channel soon because I would love to collab. It'd be a great time. It's like a really good natural lip color, so like it adds a little something, but it's not too much, you know, like it's good. So that's my finished makeup look for today. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you want more videos like this, let me know down below, or let me know if you guys have any other questions or anything that you want me to answer in my next Chit Chat Get Ready With Me if I do another one, or if you have any other video ideas or anything like that, let me know down below. I will surely get to it. And also don't forget to follow my social medias. They're linked down below, and subscribe for more if you're not already to see more videos like this. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!